like it.
Yeah, you guys are recording. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, art. Okay.
Any other deck I had.
That was all recording.
Dude, you're gonna take my soul?
I activate the Silivori Calcos.
Quite the duel. I wish I was playing Seal in this. It's 15. It's respectable.
You can destroy the shield, right? It doesn't blow, right? Just like use it as a use like first turn. Take shot.
Taking a shot. That's risky. Risky business walking out your front door.
Don't special at this turn, remember.
Deactivate monster reborn. You can't reborn in Shark. Activate monster reborn this thing. Shark should be, it's the only card you can special summon this turn.
Yeah, that would be actually good.
Card doesn't shit.
Yeah.
What did he grab?
No,
Players, can you reveal what you grabbed for the camera?
Yeah. Shark.
Cheats.
Test?
Alex is so happy.
I rubbed my eye. No, I rubbed my eye. So like I didn't have vision in it yet, and you were right there. So I turned and only saw from Xavier over, and I was like, "What's going on over here?"
I'll make it work.
Which one should I bring out? Okay. Play out of this game.
Better luck next time, Sean.
That first game, that Dolka first turn against this deck is what I should have played. So I'm trying to take his to the regional.
You're going first.
Yeah. Like
This is
on this one, I opened the Warning Phoenix Chain this.
Connor, what do I do?
No, keep on. If I was over there, I would have that hand I would have logged in.
You still would have went log in like I did.
I have to have this man has heavy infantry like another guy. He's trying to just wording the effect. I have to have infantry and another effect activate to get around.
I'm trying to, like, this is the first time I played this deck, but I was trying to take this to the region. Like, I only sided in one. How many you think I should side in? Two? I have two.
Do you have the mind crush?
Really?
Oh my god, I tried.
It's like Matsu Boy.
I only had the two.
Here's the best Mega Well that I'm going to reveal you. We'll put it in the graveyard.
Because, I mean,
Oh look, here's this high priestess that I have to reveal to you. Oh, put her in the graveyard.
okay, so you would suggest not siding this against that deck?
This is really bad against
The deep.
You can do it to Megalo.
Zam.
You can do it to.
Fuck you, right?
No.
Fuck you, right?
Oh my god.
I looked at his name and saw
Diva and a Miracle Fusion. And I was like, this game is not real. Alex doesn't win, we're not friends. I got two of them.
I made two macros. A third one of macros instead of this.
$5, I win.
Okay. So you'll say like on my side I should have like two defenses and another macro. Or just one defense.
Zam.
so hard.
Fuck you, right?
It's so hard. Do anything but attack with charge.
Fuck you, right?
Not your own side.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, no, that guy is really good.
Oh my fucking god, Eric. You're just trying to lose this, aren't you?
Yeah, no, I just wanted to get an
Yes,
extra draw in so Maxine will stay in my head then. So you still think that's bad? Like,
You have the warning as well. Right. Able to save the warning.
And then you say,
You know what I can do? I got Bailey back
I
to
mean, I'm not
back.
going to decide this the next time.
You're supposed to switch corner defense. 18. You're like, oh, okay.
Well, no, I ain't signed this.
Come on, Alex. Camera's not got all day.
You can't turn it to defense like safe. Like, stupid.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Solemn judgment.
Shit.
Yeah, right.
Starlight Road, faggot.
I need to finally watch a couple more people play this thing.
Sign out.
Why? Why?
I know what I'm at. Woo! I'm too nice.
Wait, so he had factory last turn and he didn't go off?
No, I drew it for the for last turn.
And you didn't go off?
Heavy storm.
And you didn't go off?
Didn't have the factory. Shark is my only monster.
You went Storm, play Factory.
The only reason I kept this is because I was thinking of
I'm confused.
I have this.
Oh, Ard.
Did you hear from me? Warning you Storm.
I'm taking some cards out. That's what I must That's not a good side deck, right?
Prohibition definitely has to go.
What else do you sign against Warden? Is it just macro defisher? You don't sign anything else, do you?
In Rabbit, you don't side D-Fissure, but
I would sign on defisher. I play 4.
how many Thunder Kings do you mean? Probably put a third Thunder King in? Soul Drain, but that's up to you.
Yeah, I have one soldier.
It's better though.
What?
Defisher goes in versus multiple things.
Yeah, he said
I would just side.
macro.
How many macros are you meaning? Two. I would side, yeah, I guess side third macro and side 2 D-Fissures.
So I should have 3 defenses.
Does he mean Starlight Road?
Yeah, I mean the Starlight. Yeah.
Definitely not Prohibition though.
That's what.
How many Lances are in there?
At the right time. You have the lens set because it's a
How many Soul Takers? Probably made another one. Card's really good.
it's fine.
Yeah, that's all I was saying.
Trenchel.
Macro defisher.
Trenchel. GG's Trenchel. GG's Trenchel.
Yeah, I just need more stuff. Like I'm an okay player, but you saw like that little misplay. And last time we played too, and you saw that.
He's an okay player too.
That's the oh shit I'm scared of.
You're the best, Sean. Shawnee boy.
You got a pen.
He was quite scared.
As long as you draw a hand, like
D prison.
The double D person. Just always keep out those or depending if I have backgrounds.
like if you have really good background, just log it.
Just log in.
Oh, right.